You can get a really good workout at home without going to the gym or buying expensive gym equipment. I'm gonna tell you how on Hands On Wellness. Hands On Wellness is brought to you from LastPass Studios. Keeping passwords on notes or spreadsheets doesn't work anymore. LastPass easily keeps track and creates unique passwords for every site you use. Visit lastpass.com/twit.
This is TWiT.
This episode of Hands On Wellness is brought to you by ExpressVPN. Protect your online privacy with one click. For 3 extra months free with a 1-year package, go to expressvpn.com/how. Hey there everyone, I'm Pruitt and this is Hands On Wellness on TWiT TV. Personal wellness and fitness is truly important to me, and on this podcast, I'll share different tips to help you get a better grasp of your personal wellness. Folks, we have so many tech gadgets and products at our disposal. Allow me to share how all of this wonderful tech can help you get a better grip on your personal wellness. I appreciate you joining me today, and while you're here, go ahead and subscribe to the show. All of our subscription options can be found on the website, twit.tv/how. That's twit.tv/HOW for Hands On Wellness. Or just use your favorite podcatcher and click subscribe. I really appreciate your support for the show and for you being a part of our community. So now let's go ahead and get into this week's discussion. Ever since the shelter-in-place orders were implemented, I've gotten a lot of messages about working out. Some folks asked if I was still working out, or better yet, some have asked if I had any workout advice for them. First off, I'm flattered that people would even ask little old me for tips, but I'm not a certified personal trainer. Therefore, I can't offer any official workout routines for people. Certain protocols have to be followed to protect you as the trainee, as well as myself as the trainer offering up these little workout routines. But on Hands On Wellness, I can and will share some awesome tech and tools to help you with your fitness routines. Today, I want to share the Home Workout app, the free app available on iOS and Android. Home Workout is an app that is guided fitness routines for all levels of fitness. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you're an absolute beast like myself, this app has everyone covered and has everything that you need. There are 3 common threads when it comes to beginners stopping their workout routines. First is time, next is the lack of knowledge, and then there's, quite honestly, comfort about it all. Let's look at how Home Workout tackles all 3 of these common pitfalls. First thread, the lack of knowledge. Have you ever seen a workout designed for boulder shoulders and one of the exercises mentioned is military press? Some people would have to search Google to find out what the heck military press is. When you're using the Home Workout app, you'll get a list of exercises, but you'll also get video descriptions on how to execute those movements. Now, there's no guesswork here, and knowing what these exercises are called in addition to how to perform them is definitely going to increase your knowledge. Each exercise is based on movements that don't require a gym membership or a weight set. The app does a nice job of including exercises to properly warm up your muscles as well as cool them down at the end of your session. Both are critical when you're trying to strengthen your muscles on any level.
3, 2, 1, take a rest.
And also, it comes with the little voice attendee in there as your voice coach, if you will, trying to urge you on and push you ahead through each of your routines. It's pretty neat. It's a little bit robotic, but it's a free app. It's okay. This will get the job done. All right, so now let's look at common thread number 2, comfort. Well, actually, we can look at common thread number 2 and 3, comfort and time. With this app, you're not going to a gym and you're not dealing with judgmental gym attendees. As much as I love the gym, I'm not naive about the judging that goes on there. I've been judged myself. It wasn't a comfortable experience for me. I handled it, and I haven't had to deal with that behavior ever since. With the Home Workout app, your comfort is controlled by you. Utilize the app in your home wherever you may see fit. No pun intended. Far as time, that's not an issue anymore. You're not stuck with trying to figure out gym hours of operation because you're on your own schedule. If you want to knock out a session right after you wake up in the morning, it's on you. Do it. Implement usage of this app to fit your schedule and needs. Doesn't matter when you work out per se. It matters more if you choose not to work out regularly. So get the home workout app for free with ads, or you can pay the little premium package for $2.99. This is a really nice app to help get you started with your wellness and strength goals. My challenge to you is give this app a go and then start with the upper body routine. Personally, I believe in having a strong upper body, especially as I get older. I've seen many of my elders trip and fall over the years and not really be able to push themselves up off the floor because they're too weak. I don't want that to be me if I can help it, and I don't want it to be you either. So that's it for this week's episode of Hands on Wellness. Thanks for hanging out with me today and letting me share all of my different ideas and tips and tricks to help you get a better grasp on your personal wellness. Before we get out of here and y'all go and install that app, make sure you click on the subscribe option in your podcatcher, okay? Or just head on over to the website, twit.tv/how. That's twit.tv/HOW. All of our subscription options are listed right there. If you want to share your wellness and health progress with us, shoot an email to how@twit.tv. I'll be glad to send a virtual high five. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm ant_Pruitt. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Let's crush these wellness goals. I'll see you later. This episode of Hands on Wellness is brought to you by ExpressVPN. When you're at home, your online activity can still be traced in incognito mode. That's why when I'm home, I never go online without ExpressVPN. ISPs can't see what sites you visit, and your data is 100% encrypted. So protect your online activity today with the VPN that I trust to secure my privacy. Visit my special link at expressvpn.com/how, and you can get an extra 3 months free on a 1-year package. That's expressvpn.com/how. That's expressvpn.com/how to learn more.